Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and even though I try to eat healthy and get enough sleep and everything, every now and then I just need a little extra push. That's where these caffeine chews from Caffeine Bullet have really come in handy for me. Like many people, I am a regular coffee drinker, but sometimes having a coffee just isn't an option because it's pretty time consuming. That's where these chews are so convenient. Anytime I just need that little bit of extra energy, I can pop in one of these chews and I'm good to go. Caffeine Bullet has a whole range of different caffeine chews and gum, but these ones that I have been enjoying lately are the Choco Lit Orange. I find them to have a great texture and the flavor of them is excellent. The advice on the package is really good that you should kind of take a few and see how your body reacts to it. I have taken a max of 2 chews at one time, and I've noticed that they are so energizing, but something I don't get is the jitters or a crash afterwards. Sometimes drinking coffee can give me a little stomach irritation. I don't know if that's the caffeine doing that or maybe the acid content of the coffee, but either way, these chews do not do that to me whatsoever. I have absolutely been loving the endurance and energy boost that these caffeine chews have been giving me. But that's just my point of view.